air fryer potato chip crusted chicken bites. These are ready in 30 minutes, super easy to make, and they're great for beginners. And now that the big game is coming up, you need to make an appetizer. Here's how to make them. Cut your chicken breast into cubes and then mix together flour and spices. In another shallow bowl, combine 3 eggs and whisk them up. The flavor and crunch comes from this step. Pop 1 bag of the Good Crisp Company's crinkle-cut potato chips into a food processor and process them up until they look like this. Here we go. You take a piece of chicken, dip it in the flour, egg, and then the crushed chips. Repeat until all of them are done. Pop them into a single layer in the air fryer at 370 for 10 minutes. Don't forget to serve these with your favorite dipping sauce. The whole recipe is in the caption.